I'm going to give you some guidance in documenting your recovery procedures in the business continuity section of your Ready Plan. We'll start with the business continuity section of the Ready Plan. The Department Recovery Checklist is designed to help your organization to mobilize and initiate recovery procedures. Executing the Department Recovery Checklist is the first action once the crisis management team has declared a disaster. This list provides a template of items you may need to perform when executing recovery. It is not designed to be all-inclusive as a template. You should review the checklist and determine what procedures should be added or deleted to make the checklist viable for your organization. Exercising your recovery plan will help you to determine what procedures should be included in this checklist. Depending upon the nature, timing, and extent of the disaster incident, the recovery team will need to exercise their best collective judgment to determine courses of action to take and decisions to make under the circumstances of the incident. Depending upon the size and structure of your organization, you may choose to complete one checklist, or you may choose to create multiple checklists for each different department. If you choose to create separate checklists for each department, you can copy and paste the checklist template into a different section of the plan. Consult with your advisor the best approach to documenting the checklist in the Ready Plan and what other procedures should be included. Now we'll move to the Department Recovery Action Plan. In these sections, each department can document unique recovery procedures for their respective departments. Notice the similarity between this table and the Recovery Strategy template that you've completed during the Recovery Strategy section of Plan Development. From that Recovery Strategy template, you can cut and paste the relevant information into this section of your Ready Plan. The Department Recovery Action Plan should include specific procedures that address each recovery dependency. Location, Applications and Critical Systems Management, Telecommunications, Equipment, Data and Vital Records, Staffing, and third parties and internal and external considerations. In this area, you need to record specific detail about your recovery process. For example, in the Location section, you would need to indicate where staff will go to resume recovery activities. Specify the address here. Link to maps that can be stored in the Information List section of the plan. In this section of the plan, you may need to link to supporting files and documents that you will need to recover critical functions and perform transactions. Such files may include operating procedures, forms, etc. You may store these files in the Document Library section of your plan and create links from this table to those files. Each organization and department will have recovery procedures information that will need to be stored in the plan. It is important to work with your advisor to determine what your recovery action plan should include. Thanks, and bye for now.